I got a fun surprise for us. We have 6 surprises. We have a lot in here. So today we're going to be unboxing a cool surprise. And it has makeup and a little bit of accessories.
Let's have a closer look.
Let's see a closer.
Wow, is that pizza lipstick?
Aww, it's so cute. Let's see the other side. Wow, it's rainbow the other side.
We love rainbows.
And we have a star with a surprise mystery, this one too. And the glasses are 3.
Let's open it up and see what's inside.
But I think you have to pull or...
It's okay to ask some help if you need some help. The YouTube channel. Doesn't this look like a vending machine?
Yeah.
Wow!
Stickers. Wow, my stickers are my favorite. And they are, and let's take them off.
What stickers did you get?
Let's take and see. There. We have a rainbow, a heart. We have some dozen.
Wow, that's so cute. Look, there's even a rainbow emoji. That's adorable. Look, there's even a rainbow soda can.
Yeah, now let's see.
So
what
this
else.
looks like a vending machine.
Wow! We got this liquor. What do we have? Ooh, a bracelet that I could wear.
Try it on.
Wow, let's wear it for now. Or I could just put it in.
Show them.
Got a cute rainbow charm. Cute rainbow charm.
Let's put it on. Let's see if it fits.
Let's see.
That's so cute.
Let's see. Let's put it back in. Nice and safe.
What else is in there?
Let's see. Let's get the other surprise down here.
Hey, wait. What was in here?
Let's see. You check. And let's see our ring that came off. Well,
Surprises make me smile. Let's open this up.
and let's see. This one broke. Well, it's okay, right?
That's okay.
Good. Fix it another day and glue it.
Wow,
Look,
look.
it's broke. And wow, it's a little coin. Maybe
It's to scratch this. Let's scratch it.
Yeah, let's scratch what it is.
Bring it this way so everybody else can see.
Let's see what we scratch. It's a little, let's put it down here so it's a little easier. It's okay if it's too hard. You can scratch it with the original coin.
You almost got it.
Almost. This side's almost done.
It's a rainbow ice cream.
Wow. Now let's see our number. Let's see what we get.
Hold on. We're still showing them this.
We got this.
This says sweet ice cream.
Let's see our other. We got a shooting star. We got a last. It fell over here in our huge thing. Oh, there's a huge shining ring. Shining ring.
Put it on. Let's see if it fits.
Let's see how it is. Oh wow, it's shining and it's a little scratchy on the bottom because it doesn't have put it with all the other stuff. I'm gonna put these down. Let's see what we got.
These bottles are cool because we can put some glitter in it after. And shake, shake, shake.
And we got this heart thingy. So let's see what we get.
What is that?
Let's open the whole set.
It's called a mood chart. Black is for stress. Pink is for nervous. Orange is for unsettled. Green is for active. Another green is for relaxed. And blue is for lovable. Purple's for romantic.
Let's see our other things. We got this usually height cut.
Oh, that's probably for the makeup.
Yeah, this is probably for the makeup. Let's stick it. We'll try to pull it off. This is how it looks like. The little scratch you see.
Look at the lipsticks. Wow. Which one is your favorite?
Let's see how they look.
You need to show them, sweetie.
No, they're not. They're for our makeup to put in.
Oh, to make it. I didn't know that. We have to make our own lipstick.
And
That's so cool.
this is how the container looks like. You could see. Let's put the lid back on. Show them that.
These are the flavors. This one is berry. So we can do the berry in the pink bottle. What other flavors are there?
Let's see. And let's pull this out.
And of course, instructions, because we're going to need that.
How you do it. Let's see.
Automatic rainbow layered lip balm.
Let's see this. This is another unicorn container.
Wow.
And this is a rainbow shooting star container.
Let's show them all the containers.
Let's show them the cloud container. And this is our other container.
So we have 4. How many containers do we have?
1. We got this blue rainbow cloud one. And we got this unicorn purple one. We got this poopsie stars green one.
What flavors do we have?
We got pizza flavor.
This is berries. What's the other flavors?
Hey.
What's the other flavors?
Let's see them. Let's see. Oh.
We have vanilla flavor.
Yeah, vanilla ice cream.
And orange.
Orange, our favorite. This is my favorite, the ice cream cake ones.
We also have a glitter.
Container.
No, it's glitter to put in for the lipstick.
Yeah, let's see our...
I think we're going to need this. This is the gel base. All right, guys. Stay tuned for our next episode. And we're going to show you how to make your own lipstick.
Bye.
Bye. See you soon.
Make sure to subscribe and click the like button. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.